Hello, it is Sunday, November 27th, 2011 at 1:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I made a video several hours ago and it had some sound problems. And so I'm just going to address quickly some of the portions of it because most of the sound was gone actually, but I'm going to leave it on. What I'm addressing is the system that you see running along the Mississippi River here. It's been approaching this configuration all day, and now it's about the point that it's over the Mississippi River, almost the entire length of the lower half. I also talked about the jet stream, how that's running close to the Mississippi River. We've gone 6 hours past this. This is November 27th, 2011 at 0000 GMT. And right now it is 7:11 GMT, so 7 hours have gone past that. I also addressed this pulling action that you're seeing over here under Alaska and right in through here. And what it's doing is the wind is coming down this way and then coming back up this way, or down and then up. I'm not sure if it's circling through here or not. I also talk about at the University of Utah, the tropospheric report, which right now, this is where we're at right now, is the 27th at future 6 hours, so it's 6, we're at 00 plus 6, so this is about now. And this is approaching the Mississippi River also. And you can see here these little wind barbs, I'm sorry. You can see that the wind's flowing down this way, straight down and back up this way. So you're getting two forces of wind going against each other. Actually, right in here, it looks like these are almost vertical. Let me go ahead and zoom in and we can see them a little bit. So there's this area here where they're going horizontal, right in here. I don't know if you can see it. But other than that, you've got a strong down and a strong up. And I guess they call this, it's a ridge of high pressure, atmospheric, tropospheric pressure, because you can see it's right here at the top of the scale. And then also over here, these concentric circles are really tight over the New Madrid area right in here and on down the Mississippi River. Let me see if I can go forward 6 hours. Let's see if it'll go. There it goes. Let's see if it'll stay. So in 6 hours this will be even closer, and these have moved off, so that's good. They moved off being right over the Mississippi River, but I do wonder about this difference in, this bright orange is at the lowest of the scale and this deep blue is at the highest of the scale. And I wish I knew more about this, and I've been trying to find where I can get information on what these things mean, but I have not been able to find it yet. But anytime that there's extreme changes, I know that that's not good. I've been researching static electricity, so it would seem to me that if you've got an airstream flowing down, another one going opposed, that it would be creating a charge. Let me show you. This is the water vapor, visible satellite water vapor, and you can see the strong up and then the strong down. We also have this little flashing thing up here, and I always wondered about that. It almost looks like it's pushing the clouds away. See here, pushing them that way, and here, pushing them down this way. And so right now this is coming down and this is coming up. I'll stop it here at the end of the loop so we can see. This is where it's at 6:45 UTC time. So that differential between up and down motion is approaching the Mississippi River. Another thing I talked about and I showed in the other video was the University of Memphis, the heliocorder seismographs. The interesting thing is since I made that video, all of these, every single one of them is missing data. I mean, this is strange. I haven't watched these that closely, but I haven't seen anything like this before. I mean, every one of them has it. And I can't imagine they'd all go down at the same time. I'm just flashing through quick so you can see. This is Cantron. It's like 1, 2, 3 hours of data missing, and the last 2 hours of data is missing. Let's go down to the ones that I talked about in the other video, Kewaunee. Because it was like about right here when I did the other video, so each one of these is missing data. This one is Matthews. And we'll go down to Tallapoosa. And that one actually, I mean, this looks like a heartbeat. That's, you know, we were getting these kind of signals, and now it's, I don't know. You know, I haven't watched these close enough to be able to go into detail about what's happening, but it doesn't look good. That's all I can say. And this is Windberg down here. So, that's it. I hope this makes sense, and I'm sorry the other one, the sound cut out, and I'm hoping that this one does not do the same. I did pray before I did this one. God bless you, and we're instructed by the Lord to pray for our leaders and to pray for, and in doing that, good things will come upon our nations. So no matter what our political views are, we need to do that. So God bless you. Have a good night.